Hi viewers, welcome to my new another video. Today I'll show you how to make an indoor planter using plastic bottles. That's why I took a 2-liter bottle of oil. You can take any bottle. First I raise the label of the bottle and cut it. Now I signed the chalk powder clay well and rolling it into a long rope. Apply Fevicon glue to the bottle and setting it with sanded clay. This way I will cover the entire bottle. I will fix the high and low piece with water. I made this clay dough with chalk powder, Fevicon glue and water. If the bottle is covered, I will dry it. One thing to remember, if one course is dry, more course will be required. This time I draw an hole on the bottle. Now I mixed glue and water. I will work to connect everything with it. Applying liquid glue in the bottle and making the forehead, ears and nose of the hole with clay. The finishing work should be done with water on liquid glue. When you go to do the work, you will understand how comfortable you are. I made fins with some clay on both sides. Now I will cover the front side by making small petals with clay. When the front side is completely covered, I will pull the stain with a tool. Now I will dry it for a day. I will do detailing when dry. After the complete work is done, it should be dried well. Cannot be dry in the sun, must be air dried. I have done the rest of the finishing with series paper this time. Now I will paint the first coat with white wall paint. When this color dries, I will paint the inner wall with acrylic paint. I use yellow, orange, brown and black colors to paint the wall. You can color it as you like. My flower top is complete. You can use it as a pen holder or other purpose if you want. I use it as a indoor planter. Decorating this wall will double the beauty of the house, no matter where it is placed in the house. That's it for today. I will be back with the next video. If you like my video, then like, comment and share and subscribe my channel to watch more new videos. All be well. Bye.